Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on OPPO Reno 14 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search, then select this application and click install. Now you can click open, then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and click allow, then click consent, and then now click on this button to start your VPN and click allow. Then you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.